Following the news, Garry Mapanzure, Olinda Chapel has offered to buy Zimbabwe ambulances. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Olinda wrote on her Instagram and said, Zimbabwe government, I will buy and donate 10 second-hand ambulances from the UK and ship them as long as you guarantee no duty. I am heartbroken. Kurukunzi izoni by Hilary Makaya. I blame Mars Zimbabwe for Garry's death. Makati muri kuda 2.9 kuti muendese mukomana kuHarare for better treatment. You were begged to take him to Harare and told mari mopiwa masvika, but makaramba muchiti ambulance haisimuke pasina 2.9. Guys, at 2.9 US dollars. Garry fought for his life for 10 hours straight. He could have lived, but you deprived him of urgent medical attention. So the social media is abuzz due to the fact that Garry could have gotten better treatment. Last week, Yaya Dr. Nembaware, who also failed to get airlifted kwenda kuma better medical services, zvaigona kuwana medical attention zvikaita nani, but they failed again. So most people are actually saying do not blame Mars but blame Zimbabwe yese yakadaro. Saka so far kune ambulance idzodzo dziri kunzi dzinokwanisa kuuya tichinge tangogona kungonzi duty free. So we are praying kuti at least pave ne that change. Ukuwo a Zimbabwean prophetess Ruramai Napata has been arrested due to the fact that she went into the mortuary and took a body achitraya kuita resurrection. Maybe she wanted to test her powers, but then akakonewa kuresurrecta that body. Akabva asuwiwa nestate for violating a deceased body. Prophet Obey Tichafa, who is known for prophesying predictions at death, also said he tried to contact kadungure vachida kumpa warning about something that was about to happen. Vakamutumira message 15 December 2022 vakati ivo, good morning Nelia, if you feel free, I need to talk to you on a spiritual matter that needs attention. Don't worry, I don't want anything from you, I just want to help. So vakatumira that message, but Nelia, being a social figure, did not answer kuti vataurirane about whatever was about to happen. So today he shared on his platform, but he tried to warn the kadungure family, but havana kugona kuita come back to him.